Myntri katanot ka Koit ka Khiah Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh kala Pyntip bagi ambulance 108 kibadon ha ka Jylla kinla ban Shakri Kham Nangne Shakhmat hadien bikila jied bagi kompeni thymmai ban pyniaid yaka Haba kren bikilat pathai Khubor ka Myntri ka Pyntip ru bakatei ka juingiied iki bor pyniaid thymmai yakatei ka emergency services kan long no hagi taiew tam AA.
I just took a briefing from the officer MD of the NHM on the matter of the completion of the tender that was recently floated. He has kept me abreast, and I am now informed that we are well ahead of the tendering procedures. It will likely take approximately 2 to 2.5 weeks time more. Many many new things have been also inserted in that tender to improve the emergency services for the state of Meghalaya. In fact, the 108 staff also met me, where they were anxious about the predicament of their job statuses. I have given them the assurance that Government of Meghalaya will handhold and protect services of all deserving 108 service workers. Very important that we ensure that workers of the state are protected as per law, and we will fight for their protection, and we will ensure that the transition to this new company, whatever be the name of the company that does become successful in that tender, will take care of the people of the state of Meghalaya. Care about the entire details of the number of bidders and other things, but I can give the state an assurance that we will distance ourselves from interfering too much in this process so that we get the best bid, and we must ensure that we trust that the department will ensure that we get the best bidder. I can give you the assurance that whatever observations being made by you today were already anticipated by the state. The NHM has already been briefed to ensure that we bring to the people of the state of Meghalaya the best emergency services, and the 108 must function efficiently. This is all I can say at this point of time. Let us allow the bidding procedure to complete, and I'm assuring you that we will ensure that you get the best bid.
Tentatively, when will we start seeing?
Looking at a period of maybe about 2 to 2.5 weeks for the selection procedure to complete. Then we need to also sit with workers, try to protect their services, sit with these workers to ensure that they are given the confidence that their services and their experience will also count in the long run for the state of Meghalaya.